I've managed to make over 50,000 or $500 using artificial intelligence. And in today's video, I'm gonna share with you some of the ways in which you can use AI to make money online. So for me, I concentrate on affiliate marketing as a way of making money online, promoting AI products like Feed AI. I also promote InVideo. Those are AI tools to generate content online. So in case you are interested, just comment interested and I'll help you get started with affiliate marketing as a side hustle. So let's now go into point one on how to make money with AI. So one of the ways is through content creation and social media management. So this is where you'll be offering a service to companies by helping them to generate content, either video or even social media posts for LinkedIn, YouTube, or even Facebook. And you'll be using AI tools like Gemini, you have ChatGPT, and also you also have InVideo, which you can use to generate videos, and also Feed AI, which you can use to generate short form content for YouTube. So what you can do is to equip yourself with skills on how to utilize AI platform to generate content, and then reach out to businesses and tell them the service you are offering. And some of them may be interested. Also, you'll be using for social media management, where you'll be scheduling social media posts. You don't have to do it manually. AI can do that. We also have SEO services, that is search engine optimization service. So for a website to rank on Google, you need to utilize SEO by using keywords that are searchable, what customers are looking for. For example, on YouTube, for your videos to rank, you need to use keywords that people are searching for. And with the help of AI, you can find those keywords. You can use tools like SEMrush, an AI tool that can generate keywords that people are looking for, or even questions that people are asking. And mostly, you attach those keywords with a product that you are selling. We also have art and design. For example, we have Leonardo AI, which you can use to generate thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails. I've been using Leonardo AI to generate YouTube thumbnails. In fact, we have the free version and also web design. You don't need to design a website manually. You can use AI. So there's another way you can use AI to make money. I already talked about affiliate marketing, where you promote AI tools and create awareness of these AI tools, provide different options to customers. And I usually use YouTube to promote AI products, and most of them pay generous commission, up to 50% commission. For example, Tube Magic is going for $497, and I earn 50% commission from every sale. So in every sale, I make not less than $230. Another one is chatbot development, and I'm sure you have seen message patterns in various websites. And when you click on it, you can ask any question. So there's an AI that has been trained on data in that website. So you need to learn how to develop such chatbots using artificial intelligence and offer it as a service to companies that have websites. You can go ahead and search for websites or businesses who have websites and showcase your service. Tell them that you can help them in customer service by providing chatbot for their website. And so these are some of the ways. There are many, there are over 20 or 50 ways to make money using AI, but I just mentioned a few. So in case you want to learn more, make sure you follow and also like this video.